I'm so excited to be able to tell you that my latest book, Debbie Shaw's Sewing Room Secrets Quilting, is launching exclusively on Sewing Street with signed copies this Monday, the 25th of May. So this is my latest book. It's part of the Sewing Room Secrets range of books, which is a techniques-based range aimed at beginners. So we're talking more about quilting techniques than patchwork quilts in here. So if you're brand new to quilting and you're not sure what stitching in the ditch is, echo quilting, big stitch quilting, quilt as you go, stippling, free motion quilting, I'll take you through an explanation of all of these different types of quilting, along with different types of sewing machines, sewing machine feet, tools that you need, using stencils, different ways of marking your fabric, and then into all of the different quilting techniques. It could be tying your quilt, straight line quilting, there's a free motion embroidery, bias bindings, self bindings, making your own bindings, and then using those techniques that you've learnt to create 10 different types of quilted projects. So it's not all about patchwork, although patchwork is included with your disappearing 9-patch table runner. There's the larger quilt as well, which is a very simple bunting quilt, through to a Bargello pillowcase, and going right up back to basics to as in how to even tie a knot in the end of your thread. So here's a selection of the 10 projects that you're going to be able to make. If you're brand new to quilting, if the quilting jargon just completely baffles you, or maybe you're teaching somebody or you know somebody that's learning how to quilt, then this is going to be the book for you. I do hope you enjoy it.